Excuse me, do you mind if I sit here?
No problem.
Thanks. I am Christian. What's your name?
I am Apolonio.
Nice to meet you, Apolonio. Do you come to this university often?
Yes, I like this place because it's relaxing and the university is good.
Okay. This university is beautiful. Mm. Where are you from?
I am from Cusco. And you?
I am from Espinar. Espinar is a province of Cusco.
Oh, good.
Is it your notebook?
No, no it's
Okay, thank you.
goodbye. Chunso.
Great. See you later.